Now this is one thing that I grew up liking and I still love it. My mom always made stovetop stuffing for a side dish or to stuff a bird or whatever. So today I'm going to be making a casserole with the chicken stovetop stuffing and some diced up chicken and some veg and just a mixture with soup and stuff. So let's make our stovetop first. So I'm just going to dump it in the bowl. You know what, guys, I'm just going to bypass this because I'm sure you all know how to make stovetop stuffing. Now I'm only using half the butter because I don't think I need 2 tablespoons of butter in here. And I'm going to stick it in the microwave instead of stovetop. And in the microwave we go. Alright, well the stovetop is cooking. I'm going to get the rest of the casserole going. So I put 3 frozen chicken breasts in a slow cooker today for 3 hours on high, just so I could dice them up to get ready for this recipe. I'm going to add these to the casserole dish. Now you could use rotisserie chicken or like just store-bought diced chicken. You can use whatever you want. This is just what I prefer. Now for my veggies, I'm just going to use some frozen kernel corn. My husband doesn't like a lot of vegetables. If it was me, I would be using a like a broccoli or I don't know, maybe even a Brussels sprout or a cauliflower, but corn it is. So we'll just top the chicken with some corn. Now on the side, we're going to mix a can of cream of chicken soup, now if you have watched my last stovetop stuffing recipe, I actually put in too much salt. The stuffing itself has quite a bit of salt, so I'm not adding any more salt. It was just way too salty. I'm going to add some milk and some sour cream. I'll put the recipe below for you guys. Now this recipe is pretty good for you if you're trying to watch what you eat. I'm always trying to watch what I eat, but you know how it goes. Actually, we're just wrapping up camping season now. I'm actually cleaning out my trailer and getting it ready to store. So back to eating healthy sometimes, most of the time. A whisk works really good for this, gets all the clumps out. I might add a little bit of pepper just because I like pepper. Actually, jalapeno peppers would be delicious in this, but I gotta please everybody, don't I? Which is fine. If you guys actually really love pizza, I have an amazing pizza recipe that I will link at the end of the video. You guys should check it out. There's so many people that are just loving it right now. Okay, we'll just pour this in. I'm not even going to mix it up. I'm just going to let it all set. It's really hard to get an angle when you're videotaping yourself. Hopefully this is okay for you guys. Alright. Just gonna spread it around a little bit. Heard my microwave go off. My stuffing must be done. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh. I love the stuffing. I know it's horrible for you. I know that, but I still love it. Okay, I'm gonna grab the stuffing. I'll be a second, it's very hot. Okay, this is like so hot. I'm just gonna spoon it on just so I can get it everywhere. I might need a hot pad. Okay. Oh my God, it's hot. Oh, let me try this. Smells just like I remember it. Oh. So I'm going to cover it with some tin foil, and then I'm going to put it in the oven. I have a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes to half an hour. And then we will see how amazing it's going to taste. We'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, I did sneak a little piece and it's delicious. I'm gonna give you a close up. It is so good and it's not as salty as my last one. I'm gonna scoop it out for you. There you go. Chicken, vegetable, stovetop stuffing, and some sauce. It's simple, it's delicious. What else do you need? Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.